Hola mi gente, my name is Paco Lebron, co-founder of TechCon Unplugged, coming this September 7th to the 10th as we invite you over at Woodbridge, New Jersey. We're gonna bring you 2.5 days full of content where you'll be able to hear from your peers, which are like-minded individuals.
It was great. There was a lot of people from different states, and all of them had different ways of doing their business, all looking for different ways of excelling their business or improving the business. And talking to everyone, you not only make good or better business decisions, you also make friends.
The pre-day show with actual real life interaction, real life scenarios, that it was a lot more useful to the actual business than a standard sales show.
I have been in IT for the past 3 years, but I have actually been in the business administration side of it. I had no knowledge about IT until I came over to Prodigy Techs. Going into TechCon, I did not know what to expect for that same reason, and it was pretty refreshing to see that there was a lot of content guided towards people like me who had no knowledge of IT.
We provided a safe space to allow them to not only learn from others that are of their same space, same mindset, but also bringing vendors and partners that understood exactly where they're coming from and how to help them grow as we all do this together. Our event empowers all of you to be able to really focus on not only your goals, what you want to do with your business, and maintain the lifestyle that you choose.
Hi, my name is Andres Green Inc., also known as Green Tech.
Hi, my name is Jason Thomas from JTech Solutions. I'm looking forward to meeting you at TechCon Unplugged this year.
Hi, I'm Rosa Banderas from Prodigy Techs. I look forward to meeting you at TechCon.